Hi friends, in this video, we will take a deep dive into the built-in print function. The built-in print function is useful for displaying the value of variables, expressions, and other objects on the terminal or the standard output. To demonstrate it better, let us write a program which computes the area of a rectangle and display it. The program begins with the assignment of length and breadth variables, followed by the calculation of area, that is, length into breadth. Finally, we print the result using the print function, which displays the provided arguments separated by a space. On executing the script, it prints area colon space 50. As the print function accepts any number of arguments, it can be easily used to output the value of multiple objects when they are provided as arguments to the function. For example, let us write a program where A is assigned the value of an expression 2 plus 2 and B is assigned the value of an expression 2 into 3.5. Finally, we display the value of A and B using the print function. On executing the script, it outputs the value of A and B, that is 4 and 7.0 respectively, separated by a whitespace, which is the default separator in the print function. This property can be modified using the keyword argument sep, which can be provided by the user. Let us modify the previous code and provide comma as the separator using the sep keyword argument. Now, you can observe the output values of A and B are just separated by a comma. When expressions are provided as arguments to the print function, first, the values of those expressions are evaluated and then the results are output. For example, a script which prints 2 plus 2, 2 into 3.5 and hello plus world outputs 4, 7.0 and hello world respectively. It can be witnessed how each print function call creates a new line of output, as the new line character is the default ending string. This behavior can be modified by specifying end keyword argument of type string. Let us modify the previous code by passing a comma as the end string in the first print function call and a semicolon as the end string in the second print function call. The output now appears on a single line as the first new line character is now replaced by a comma and the second new line character is now replaced by a semicolon.